Choosing the right Vanguard ETF can be a crucial decision for investors. And two popular options are VYM and VOO. To make an informed decision, it is essential to understand the key differences between these two ETFs. First, let us start with VYM, which is the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. This ETF tracks the FTSE High Dividend Yield Index and provides exposure to a diversified portfolio of high dividend yielding stocks. VYM has a focus on dividend income and is suitable for investors seeking regular income from their investments. On the other hand, VOO is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, which tracks the S&P 500 index. This ETF provides exposure to the U.S. stock market, covering approximately 500 of the largest and most established companies in the U.S. VOO is a total stock market ETF, offering broad diversification and potential for long-term growth. One of the primary differences between VYM and VOO is their investment objectives. VYM focuses on dividend income, while VOO aims to track the overall U.S. stock market. In terms of portfolio composition, VYM has a higher concentration of dividend-paying stocks, such as real estate investment trusts and consumer staples, whereas VOO has a broader diversification across various sectors. When it comes to fees, both VYM and VOO have relatively low expense ratios. VYM has an expense ratio of 0.06%, while VOO has an expense ratio of 0.03%. This means that for every dollar invested, VYM charges 0.06 cents, and VOO charges 0.03 cents. To choose between VYM and VOO, consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you are seeking regular dividend income and are willing to accept a potentially lower growth rate, VYM may be the better choice. However, if you are looking for broad diversification and long-term growth potential, VOO may be more suitable. Ultimately, the decision between VYM and VOO depends on your individual circumstances and investment objectives. It is essential to evaluate your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon before making a decision. By understanding the key differences between these two Vanguard ETFs, you can make an informed decision and choose the one that best aligns with your investment strategy.